subscribe and help the channel get to 200,000 subs. Welcome to Amavengeance TV, keep on your premiership, Mamelodi Sundowns 5, Amazulu 2, I'm joined by Mutao.
Hola Stivo. Ushabu Stivo. Give me nothing. Hey, really, Stivo. Hey, Mara, it's time to Williams arrest the brag.
Yeah. What is
Williams arrest? How is easy? Williams to get the game to buy. We talk about Cup, and then we do the Champions League.
Sure.
Williams arrested.
Yes.
Wafem Fanola chance. Cross chance.
Yes.
Williams to get the game to buy.
Yeah.
And then who resting on one even a charabola.
and they want to call.
They were cost to one. Every game they concede.
Cameroon number 1.
Cameroon number 1.
Kakol defense.
Number Matandaki number 1 Matanda. Williams were conceded. Hey. So Kinyako Lika Dozo. I'm worried. Lika Dozo Nyako Koza Amu Tache Nyana. The pasta. Adimunati Braga. I want to see. I want to look at Santiago. I want to talk about better.
Thank you, leadership. Thank you, leadership. Thank you, Mutao. Thank you, sir. Thank you, Mutao.